I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make base-free BIR style chicken capsila from scratch. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. A full list of the ingredients for the dish can be found in the description below. To begin, heat a pan on high and add 4 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, add half a medium blended onion, stir through and simmer for 3 to 4 minutes to soften and begin to brown. Add half a finely chopped onion and sprinkle over the 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of dried methi leaves. Stir through and fry for a couple of minutes to release the aromas, stirring frequently. Add in 2 chopped green finger chillies, 3 finely sliced garlic cloves and half a green pepper chopped into small chunks. Tip over a little hot water to keep things from sticking and fry for a couple of minutes. Time for the spices. So add in 2 teaspoons of mixed powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, half to 1 teaspoon of tandoori masala powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin powder and 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and fry for a couple more minutes. Add a little water if things look dry to create a capsila paste. If using raw meat, add it in now. Stir and coat to seal and fry for a couple of minutes to infuse the flavours. Add in 2½ tablespoons of tomato puree, watered down with around 6 tablespoons of water. Then stir 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1/4 of a teaspoon of mint sauce and stir in thoroughly. Add half of the hot water, around 125 millilitres, carefully stir through. Allow to reduce for a couple of minutes. Sprinkle over 1/4 of a teaspoon of garam masala and around 1/4 of a cup of fresh coriander and stir through. Continue to reduce for around 5 minutes and stir when the sauce reaches your desired consistency and when the meat is cooked through if you used raw meat. When your oil starts to separate from your dish, it's normally ready. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.